Hey there, South Florida. Good Tuesday morning. We are waking up warm and humid, definitely feeling more like spring instead of winter. And unfortunately, this weather pattern is not going anywhere, all thanks to high pressure, our dominant weather feature. The benefit, though, is we do have a nice ocean breeze in place, and that could also bring us a stray shower here or there going into the afternoon hours, as well as tomorrow. Now, this forecast holds true at least for the rest of the week. So Valentine's Day going to be a warm one. Also going into Thursday, a warm one with that slight chance of a shower off the breeze. Again, precipitation is limited across South Florida thanks to high pressure, which is providing for a subsidence that's drying out the atmosphere. Now, we are noticing, though, with that ocean breeze that temperatures are climbing. Look at that, mid-80s, above average for our highs today. We'll see some clouds around, and it'll definitely be feeling like spring, not just today, but for the rest of the week with only a slight chance of a shower. Today's Fat Tuesday. All the celebrations in New Orleans will be having fun. They may see some showers around, but overall, the forecast for us, if you're starting to enjoy here in South Florida and you celebrate, 84 degrees.